Getting constant headaches with your Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Whether your connection keeps dropping or you're stuck seeing the wireless capability is turned off error, it's incredibly frustrating. I'm going to walk you through the top 5 proven fixes, starting with the simplest hardware check and moving all the way to advanced adapter resets. Let's get your Wi-Fi stable right now. We start with the basics. First, ensure you haven't accidentally disabled the physical switch. Check your keyboard for a dedicated Wi-Fi key. It usually has an antenna icon on it. You might need to press the FN key plus that Wi-Fi key. Next, click the network and volume icons in the bottom right corner to open your quick settings. Make sure the Wi-Fi button is blue, meaning it's turned on. This simple check fixes about 50% of these issues instantly. If the button is blue but still not working, let's move on. Windows 11 has a decent troubleshooter that can often reset and fix minor service glitches. Go to your Start menu, type Troubleshoot Settings, and select Other Troubleshooters. Now, find Internet Connections and click Run. Let the tool scan. It will automatically detect and attempt to fix common issues like a disabled adapter or a failed service. Just follow any on-screen instructions it gives you. Sometimes the adapter just needs a hard digital kick. This step manually resets your Wi-Fi connection. Go to your search bar, type NCPA-CPL, and hit Enter to open the Network Connections window. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Disable. Wait about 5 seconds. Then right-click the now grayed-out adapter and select Enable. This forces the connection to reinitialize and often resolves those mysterious connection errors. If your issue is instability or constant drops, try the next fix. This next one is a critical fix for connections that suddenly disappear. Windows is often set to turn your Wi-Fi card off to save battery. Go to your search bar, type Device Manager and open it. Expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi card and select Properties. Click the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click OK. This tells Windows to keep that adapter running at full power, solving most mid-session disconnects. Finally, if you're having issues right after a Windows update, your driver might be incompatible. In Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If a recent update caused the problem, go to the Driver tab instead and select Rollback Driver. One of those 5 steps should have fixed your Wi-Fi capability issues on Windows 11. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments which fix you tried, and I can suggest the next advanced troubleshooting step, like a full network reset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.